done a lot of traveling around the country, but I had not made it here yet, so I'm very pleased to be here. Very pleased to have an opportunity both to meet some of the people down here and to see some of the incredibly rich history and culture of this city. So I already went to one of the shrines this morning and have a couple more tomorrow. And looking forward to hearing from all of you, some of the issues that you all face down here. But let me just say, first of all, these linking corners in our relationships more broadly with academic institutions in Pakistan are such an important part of what we have done here over the years, and continue to have a commitment to, from my perspective, in terms of U.S.-Pakistani relations, ties between our two countries, the most fundamentally important pillar of it is the people-to-people context between us, and our programs through education and universities are the baseline for that, the way it's built. And as I travel around the country, I meet hundreds and hundreds of students and former students who've been involved in these centers and these programs over the years, and all of them are doing exciting things and contributing to the development of their country in so many ways. It makes me very proud to be a part of it. So thank you for that. Second, one of the things that we've been trying to do is look at a way we can establish a forward-looking, future-oriented relationship between the United States and Pakistan that's based on some of these fundamental things. I mentioned people to people, but other things include trade and investment, and global challenges like climate and health, and of course, what we're calling the Green Alliance between the United States and Pakistan. These are really important issues like energy transformation, climate resilience, water management, and sustainable agriculture. All, I think, really important issues for South Punjab, but important issues for the country as a whole, and areas often of U.S. strengths and Pakistani needs and interests. So over the last year and a half that I've been here, it's been one of the things that we've been really focused on is that transformation of the relationship, to make that the fundamental sort of core of our relations. I think even in a situation where Pakistan, today faces lots of challenges, there's also lots of exciting opportunities at a moment of transformation. So look forward to discussing all those things with you. I have here with me today Kristen Hawkins, who's our Consul General for Lahore, who's sort of responsible for our diplomacy in Punjab as a whole. So you want to say a couple words, Kristen?
Yeah, no, I'm very pleased to be here. This is my first trip to South Punjab. I just started my position in Lahore about 2.5 months ago, so just settling into life here. But I had heard such great things about this part of the province and how it is unique and different from the rest of the province. So looking forward to exploring the culture, hearing your views on what's important to you, so that we can, as we design our future people-to-people programs, our future educational programs, we can be taking into account, the unique qualities of Multan as we move forward. So thank you.
Yes. Okay.